In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Payhip coupons. If you want to offer a discount to your customers, run a promotion, or encourage more sales during a launch, creating a coupon in Payhip is a simple and effective way to do it. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to do so you can set up your coupon quickly and confidently. To get started, head over to your Payhip dashboard. This is your main control center where you manage your products, sales, and store settings. Once you're logged in and on the dashboard, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct account before moving on, especially if you manage more than one store. From the dashboard, click on Marketing. This section is where Payhip keeps tools related to promotions, customer outreach, and sales optimization. If you're looking to create discounts, this is the area you'll use most often. Opening the Marketing section will bring you to the page where your promotional options are available. Once you're there, click on Add Coupon Code. This will open the coupon creation area where you can begin setting up the details of your discount. This is the part where you customize how the coupon will work for your customers. Next, edit the details of your coupon. You'll want to fill in the relevant settings carefully since these determine how and when the coupon can be used. For example, this is typically where you define the coupon code itself, the discount amount or percentage, and any limits or conditions tied to the offer. Take your team here and review everything before continuing. A clear and easy to remember coupon code can make your promotion more effective, especially if you plan to share it in emails, on social media, or during a product launch. It's also a good idea to double check that the discount is set up the way you intend. A small typo in the coupon details can change how the promotion behaves, so reviewing the settings now can save you time later. When everything looks correct, click on Create Coupon Now. This final step saves your coupon and makes it available for use based on the settings you selected. After that, your coupon should be ready to share with your audience. And that's it. You've successfully created a coupon in Payhip. As a quick final tip, after creating the coupon, consider testing it yourself to make sure it applies correctly at checkout. That way, you can be confident your customers will have a smooth experience when they use it.